Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharms and unboxing the Boxycharm Premium and the Boxycharm Luxe, both in this video today because I suck at time management, so what else is new? But we're going to unbox both of these. I do have the Luxe here on top. It is a big box this time, so opening it up, I have pre-opened all these boxes, but this is what it looks like on the inside. There is a cute little card that we will look at as we go. The theme this time is bubbles and glitz. I feel like that would have been better for January, but what do I know? Okay, so running out of desk room here, so I'm gonna try to not those up all. Here is some brown tissue paper. First thing right on top here is this. This says Luxe right there, so I'm assuming this is a brush set. Let's see. Glitter and gold brush set for $85. Oh my gosh, this feels really nice. It feels like suede. I don't love it. I don't love the way that feels. I don't know. It feels like suede though, but opening it up. Here's what it looks like. Oh, it smells weird. There are 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 pieces. It looks like 3 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. I'm gonna take one of these out, but I'm not gonna like spend a lot of time on this because you guys know how Luxe brushes feel by now. I do love Luxe brushes. I think they're great. And I'm very excited to add these to my collection, but here is what the handles look like. It's just all gold. This one is a Luxe tapered blending 205 brush. I'm pretty sure I have that exact brush, just not in gold, but 85 bucks. It's a little pricey for that. Don't know that I'd pay that, but the carrying case is cute. You could even like make it look like a little wallet if you wanted to, but it's cute. It's cute. I like it. Next thing in here, oh, these are so pretty. These are by Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. These stud earrings feature brilliant 2-carat cushion cut cube zirconias surrounded by sparkling pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings. $36. I've never heard of this brand, but I have my ears pierced. I just never wear earrings because I'm lazy, but I've been wanting to get like a good everyday pair of earrings that I could like sleep in and not take out, and those are really cute, so these could be them. Ooh, I like those a lot. I also have like a really bad reaction to jewelry, so sometimes it's like, ugh. But next, Avant Glycolic Mica Arginine Ura Shea Butter Age Nutrive Intense Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. This is a lot of words to say it's a moisturizer. It's cruelty free, so is Luxe, obviously. I don't know what I'm saying obviously, but like I use Luxe brushes, so they have to be. This is $123. Huh. Okay, I don't want to open this because it's so expensive and I don't want to waste any, but I kind of want to smell it. Ooh, smells very much like suntan lotion, but like a floral suntan lotion, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna put this over here. $123 for a moisturizer is crazy. Okay, next is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. This is gonna be stupid expensive too. This is an exfoliator, clarity, radiance, younger looking skin, brightens, and it plumps the fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. That's quite a claim. $85, yeah, expensive. Oh my gosh, I will use that. I do like Sunday Riley products. Okay, next thing in here is by Reza, not sure. It's the Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In for all hair types. Salon Series Gold Infused Shield. First line of defense, helps protect luxuriously, that's a word. It's a leave-in conditioner. $22 for this. What do you smell like? I don't smell anything. My hair looks terrible anyway, so let's just see. Ooh, smells quite good. Smells like a salon. Very much so like a salon, but I like that. I will definitely use that. I'm actually currently out of detangler, so that came at a good time. Okay, next thing in here, Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capuca, whatever. I don't know how to say these words. Lip butter. Keep It Rio is the shade I got. Ooh, I just moved my hair and that's intense. It smells good, but it's just a lot. This retails for $20. And this is a cute little chapstick, I believe. This is a chapstick, right? Tinted lip treatment. So yeah, it's a chapstick. It says there's a tint. I don't see much of one, but that's okay. I haven't really been wearing a lot of like products other than tinted lip creams right now anyway. Next is a palette by Hip Dot. I am not going to swatch this because I actually currently already have a palette by Hip Dot that I swatched and never used. So we're not going to swatch this one yet, but it is really pretty on the packaging and like looks like emerald, which is my favorite stone, hence the ring. $30 for this palette. Ooh, yes. Okay, I do like this color story a lot. Very blue, green, yellows. Really pretty, but I'm not going to swatch it, like I said, twice now. Probably more than that. I'm going to shut my hair in it, though. That, ooh, gosh, that just keeps getting more intense, that freaking leave-in conditioner. What? The last thing in here is Iconic London. What are you? Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Iconic London is expensive, I believe. Yeah, $55 for this. Ooh, I kind of don't want to swatch this either because I have so much stuff right now that I need to like use. But it looks like a bronzer, 2 blushes. Yeah, a matte blush, a shimmer blush, a bronzer, and 3 highlights. None of those are going to be highlights on me though. I can tell you that right now. Okay, that was a pretty good box. I like everything in there. I will use everything in there, so that's always good. Now, let's get this thing out of the way here and move on to the premium. Stay. Here is the premium box. Ouch. Oh, I didn't open this one yet, apparently. I thought I pre-opened all of these. What am I doing with my life? Not much, I can tell you that. There we go. Okay. So, it looks like this on the inside. So, we get another little card that has the prices and stuff on here. This one is a lot smaller. What is this? True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlighter Palette. I don't know this brand. Oh, vegan, cruelty-free, safety tested, so that's awesome. I've never heard of this brand though. Really pretty reflective packaging. This retails for $46. Ooh. Again, I'm not going to swatch. I just don't want to swatch anything because I have like literally a box full of makeup over here that I haven't touched yet, which is so bad. I've swatched it all, but I haven't used it. So I'm just like avoiding swatching things for right now. So I can, I don't know, make myself use it, I guess. But that looks really, really pretty. Again, never heard of the brand. Bubbles. What is this? Oh. Well, this leaked everywhere. Can you see? Yeah, like it leaked everywhere. This is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel, the Italian collection by Skin & Co. Roma. Ooh, smells very lemony. I'll still use it even though it leaked everywhere. $22 for this. Yellow flowers on a vibrant Scandinavian summer day. Mediterranean breeze. Carries notes of myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobble street stones. Okay. Smells like lemon to me, so I don't know. Okay, next thing is by Elemis. This is expensive. Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. Yeah, 65 bucks. So, opening this up. Looks like this. I can't remember if LMS is cruelty free. Do you tell me? I feel like I do this every time I get an LMS product and I'm like, is this cruelty free? I think it is. But just to be safe, we're not gonna like swatch anything or anything like that. Because I don't know. So if there's a seal on here, it's not coming off. Okay, there's like a little pulley thing. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like chamomile. Is that what it is? It's just like a very light, like bubble bath scent. That smells really good though. What does this do? Super cooling gel mask glides on the skin, creating a biometric veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. Okay, so it's a overnight moisturizer. Do you have to wash it off? Apply overnight and rinse off in the morning, so at least I don't have to do it till the morning time. But I'll use that for sure. I just have so much skincare open right now. I will use that if it's cruelty free. I have to look that up. I don't know. It's so big. Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. This is another product I'm not gonna open, you guys. I have so many, like, I literally have 2 of these full of open mascaras right now and like 7 that aren't even open. Like, I have a problem. So I'm gonna open this and show you the 2, but I'm not gonna like look at the wand right now. But this retails for 20 bucks. Which is pretty typical in the high-end mascara world. Oh, that's disappointing. I wonder, this reminds me of the like Monsieur Big by Lancome, the packaging and the name. I wonder if it's a dupe. That'd be cool. I'm not gonna be able to know because I'm not gonna try the Lancome one, but oh, we have some Visart in here. Is Visart cruelty free? I don't know. I think so. I feel like I looked that up once. This retails for 80 bucks. This is the, what are you? Neutral Mattes palette. I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't know if it's cruelty free. So we'll find out, and then if it is, I will use it. Oh, it's pretty. All matte, to be expected based on the name. But they are fun colors. I really want to touch that blue and that pink right there, but I'm not going to. This feels like good packaging, even though it's kind of lame looking, like it just looks like plastic. But I hope that's cruelty free because I've always wanted to try Visart. If you know, let me know. I'm gonna look it up anyway, but and the last thing in here is by Crown. All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Oh, I just dropped something. This is $34.95. So another brush set. I do like Crown brushes as well as the Luxe brushes. I don't remember, I feel like someone else owns Crown brushes. It might be Luxe. Does Luxe own Crown brushes? I don't know, but here is the little set. So I'm always excited for more brushes, even if I just literally decluttered so many of them not that long ago. But that's everything that we got in my Boxycharms this month. So I like everything we got. I'm a little disappointed that this spilled everywhere. Thankfully it didn't like get on the makeup, it just went all over the bottle, but that's okay. I'll still use it. I don't think anything disappointed me. Hopefully everything's cruelty free. As long as everything's cruelty free, I'm not disappointed. So don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.